Alright guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys is a very good offer that you need to get right now. In fact, it's a COVID-19 rescue bundle. Yeah, so it's a kind of resources, packed together, a very valuable resources packed together for you to make money online. Or if you want to begin, you want to start an online business, you want to start an internet business, this is what you need to pick up right now. So it's a $1,879,000 plus worth of amazing products, and you can actually pay any amount you want. Now, this bundle was packed up together, just for the sake of charity. Yes, for charity, to support those, to support organizations in responding to the COVID-19 challenges that we're actually facing right now. So it's the biggest work from home bundle of 2020, and you can actually pay anything to pick it up. When I picked it up, I paid just $1. Yeah, just $1, and I got access to this value pack program. So let me show you, just go through one of them one by one. So the first product you're going to get access to is actually worth $47, and it's a product by Flair, one of the very top sellers, top vendors on Warrior Plus. And the name of this product is Blaze. It's going to show you a complete case study of how art went from broke bartender to generating over $400 plus per day online. So it's a copy paste system that is fast. Setup is just for 5 minutes, and it's 100% free traffic using only tools for beginners. Another product you're going to get inside is I Am Mastery. This product is going to show you, two very successful internet marketing coaches offer their personal strategies for mastering IM in less than 24 hours. So if you are just coming into the IM space, this would be a very good program for you to get to master internet marketing. Now, this number 3 is from Bobby D. I know him very well. So it's called Fivalicious. So it's going to show you how Bobby went used how Bobby did exactly how he pulled in over 6K on Fiverr without doing any of the actual work. So it's just like an arbitrage. It goes to Fiverr and then uses another platform. He buys from another platform and then sells on Fiverr, and then he makes his profit. And indeed, he was able to pull over 6K doing just that. And you get a whole lot of products. You get Public Domain Empire by Alexandro Zamboni, Email Secrets. You get 20 email hacks to get amazing results with email marketing, and they are all legal procedures. So you get the work at home and digital marketing for seniors. You get a Mirage, step-by-step newbie friendly, this all-in-one graphic design image software that lets you create jaw-dropping designs straight from your browser using their inbuilt templates, drag and drop. So it's very new. It's newbie friendly, easy to do, and in fact within 60 seconds you can come up with a very good, great design. So number 8, you get 1 minute free traffic system by Matt and John Rhodes. Yes, so you get free traffic in any niche, any market, or any industry, and you don't need a website for this. Yes, you don't need a website for this. So this is free, set and forget. Once you set it up, you begin to get free traffic on demand. So you can see you are getting a whole lot of product bond, a whole lot of good working products that will get a conversion and grow your business. So number 9, you're getting a digital income academy product vault. Yes, so you get access to 17 best-selling information products put together by Glenn and his team, and each product details a variety of traffic generation methods, and this is a massive package of valuable training on it. So you get perfect 10 mastery suspense thriller plots, you get 3-pack Google My Business Secrets, you get local video jackpot, get a whole lot of stuff. I am newbie. This guy is very good when it comes to PLR products, and you can pick this up as well. So just click on the link below. Yeah, there's a link there to pick this up for as low as $1. You see, this is $97. You can pick just this for just $1. So you get Edu Prints profits, you get bright revenge. So if you're tired of wasting money on bright shiny objects that don't bring you any result, that don't get any results, then you can pick up bright shiny. You get access to bright shiny revenge that shows you how you get into profit. Yes, how you get into profit no matter what level you are at right now. So you're getting $1,000 plus of worth of products, and you can even pay any amount you want. Now your payment is not going to my account or going to Warrior Plus account. It's actually going to be used to donate to it's going to be used to charity. It's going to be given to charity. So you can use these products for your own business, and you can use it to help those who actually need. So this is something you need to go ahead and pick it up right now. Click on the link below, and then you get access to the link. Just scroll down to the page, and then you see a checkout. You're going to see a checkout section. Just input your name, and then your other name, your first name and last name, and then your email where you want your product to be delivered, and then just click on the this checkbox, and then make your payment. You can pay with your PayPal account, or you can pay with your Warrior Plus wallet. So all you pay, get it for just $1, or if you want to pay more, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, any amount you pay, everything, your money, your payments goes to charity. Yes, 100% of it goes to charity. But don't miss out on this great bundle. This is the best bundle I've seen, and it's going to help you. In fact, their best training products, their softwares, methods, and even you're going to get rights, resale rights to some products. And then in fact, it's a very good product. Over 20 of the best products have been sold on Warrior Plus. In fact, all these products won deals of the day. So you can see this just costs $47, and you get access to it, all this for just $1. In fact, this is a big deal, crazy deal, and if you miss out on this, then you have to blame yourself. So go ahead, click on the description below, pick it up, and then begin to go through them one after the other and see which one works best for you or suits you, and then you continue working on it over and over again until you get results. So that's all for now about this COVID-19 rescue bundle. So if you are interested in internet marketing, you're interested in starting an online business, this is a bundle you need to pick up right now for just $1. Yes, for just $1, you pick this up, and you can be in profit, or you can help people, teach people, and then you become a master when it comes to online business. So when you pick it up, you get a full step-by-step training to help you start your own online business and work from home in 30 days. Yes, from all these 20 products, it's going to help you also. These products and software, you can resell some of them and keep 100% of the proceeds. Also, you get case studies to help you generate free traffic to any website or offer, and you get a whole lot more of stuff depending on what you want. You want to learn how to sell, how to create products and sell. You're going to get access to all this on the inside. So go ahead, click on the link below, and then it's going to bring you up to this page. Just scroll down and pick it up. Pay any amount you want to pay. If it's $1, $2, $3, $10, any amount, you can pick it up for just $1, and then you'll be helping yourself in building a very good business in no time. So thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button below, and have a great day and stay safe. Bye bye.